Welcome to my PC tricks. Today we are going to learn about some commonly used shortcut keys in Miss Excel. Number 1. Ctrl plus N, create a new workbook. Number 2. Ctrl plus O, open an existing workbook. Number 3. Ctrl plus S, save the current workbook. Number 4. Ctrl plus P, print the current workbook. Number 5. Ctrl plus Z, undo the last action. Number 6. Ctrl plus Y, redo the last action. Number 7. Ctrl plus C, copy the selected cells. Number 8. Ctrl plus X, cut the selected cells. Number 9. Ctrl plus V, paste the copied or cut cells. Number 10. Ctrl plus A, select all cells in the current worksheet. These are the some commonly used shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel. In the next part 2 video we will discuss about few more shortcuts keys in Microsoft Excel. In this channel, I will post about laptop shortcut keys, computer tricks and software downloads topics. So, to learn this type of content, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share to your friends. Okay, we will meet in our next video. Thank you.